Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so yesterday we talked about the potential to go down and test the 9-day weekly pivot and basically the 33.03 to 06 area. We printed as low as 01 quarter. You can see here on the daily chart, blue line there is the 9-day. We went down and tested it. They've bounced it. They've taken it up as high as 37, so 37 half. As we get into the open today, the bulls are going to need to print a new all-time high and continue to progress. They can't start leaving resistance areas. I mean, they can, but the ultimate effect of that is probably going to be a couple of lower highs and have it bleed back down a little bit. 16 remains important. You can see there we tested weekly pivot, the 9-day, 3,300. It all held. They make a higher low, just before noon, and then they go ahead and take it up into the afternoon. So for us, we had a really nice short pre-market that I walked through on the webcast, and I posted a little synopsis video last night on social on YouTube. They churned it there for half an hour or an hour down around weekly pivot, which is not unexpected. They tried to defend it, bears did, from 16 to 17. When that did not happen, it left you really with no choice but having to buy against the 14 area. So we bought in the 15s. We've taken profits. I still have a runner. Right now we have our runner set at 30 half, so we've locked in 15 handles on the runner. Ends up being a nice little trade, a nice little day, and for a short week, the week's in good shape. As we go into the open today, you have volume weighted average price 33.3164. We have our proprietary moving average 33.28. So what I've done here is I've popped up the 5-minute chart. So there's volume weighted average price. You have to be mindful, 26.98, so 27. Here's the hourly. Here it is on a 5-minute chart. If the intention is to buy a dip today, coming down to test the overnight into the pop off the Europe Open that coincides with the hourly midband, that's not a bad place for a morning low. I'm expecting some directional price today. I'm not saying it's a trend day, but typically what I would expect to see here is there's going to be a clear winner and a clear loser. If the clear winner is the bulls, then this area at 27 is going to hold. We're going to make new all-time high and progress up above 40. Towards the upper band on the daily chart, which comes in around 49. If it's the bear's day, then all of this is going to have to convert. Proprietary moving average, the 5-minute, everything at 33. You got to take out VWAP. You got to take out the hourly mid. So then over here on the hourly, you got to pull back here. That's going to have to deal with 21. You have resistance here. You have support here that would have to break back down and head back down towards 16. So the reality for me with regard to the short side is that you've had a lot of tests this week of weekly pivot or below, at least below 16. So they tried it Tuesday, tried it yesterday. They've lost both of those battles. We've talked on here for years about, as you get later in the week, the side that loses the battle of the weekly pivot early in the week tends to face the brunt of directional days Thursday into Friday. So with that started on Thursday, until the bears show me that they can print and stay below 27, dips or buys, and a new all-time high is expected. Everybody hates this rally. And that's a big reason why it just keeps on going up. Now, a nasty piece of news regarding viruses or, whatever, can put a stop to this, at least temporarily. But until these pullbacks are sustainable, you're not going to see any longer term change in the overall character of the market, which, is higher. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day, fantastic weekend. Plenty more out on social today. Take care. Come join the room. Trade them well. I'll talk to you Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.